Hi, this is Rob with TAC. Just wanted to go over our new tool that we have. It's the T-5ESS pre-charge tool, and that replaces the pre-charge, the capacitor pre-charge control panel here. This is a portable unit that a lot of times these tethered probes go bad and are retractable. And basically, what we're going to try to do is the same procedure on how to pre-charge the capacitors, and has all of the instructions on the back. And we're going to start with this fuse right here. So what I did right now is I created a short, and what that's going to show you on here is that the lights will stay permanently lit. So when you go here, you're going to try to go into the alarm fuse first. And what this is going to show you is that the lights never go out, so anytime that you try to put a fuse in there, it's going to keep popping. And that means that there's a short or an excessive load on that particular capacitor. So our goal is that these lights go out within 6 seconds. So now I'll show you how we're going to fix that problem, and then how it's supposed to work normally. So now we fixed the problem, and now we're going to try to load up the fuse after it's been fixed. So the lights are out. Build the fuse and put the alarm fuse in.